along with the first ever real hands-on of the S25 Ultra. I got a good news about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and every single user will going to love it. Also, there's one big downside along with the official trailer, and if you haven't reserved your Galaxy S25 Ultra, then do it now, as there is only 3 days left to get free $50 credit and up to $1,250 savings while buying the S25 Ultra. Link is in the description, do check it out. So this is the actual picture posted on Twitter, showing off the Galaxy S25 Ultra with the box, and this is the signature color for S25 Ultra, which is titanium blue, and confirms the back design along with the cameras. And when we turn into the front side, the bezel seems too big for the S25 Ultra. We already saw the bezel size of S25 Ultra even in official teaser, but these bezels look thicker, means the back is real but the front is fake. While ago we were talking about the price of S25 Ultra, and things were looking bad because we expected the price hike this year. But no, according to South Korean media, Samsung is going with the same price as last year S24 series, but the 512GB version will see a slight increased price. A bare minimum difference, like $11 more than the S24 Ultra, which is nothing. Now, South Korean pricing is different in dollars because it is way less than $1299 we get on the S24 Ultra. Now, we also saw the European pricing of S25 Ultra, and things are looking good, where S25 base version will going to cost us €909 and 256 gigs will going to cost us €969. S25 Plus will going to cost us €1159, and S25 Ultra will going to feature a price of €1,459. This is same as S24 series, which means there is no price hike on S25 Ultra. Also, the great pre-order and trade-in deals are out, where Samsung will going to offer us at most $900 in the trade-in value, which we expect for S24 Ultra or maybe iPhone. Also, Samsung might offer double storage option in the S25 Ultra as a pre-order deals, and you can get $50 credit if you reserve now. Link is in the description. And along with the double storage option for pre-orders, some markets might see a Buds Pro for free with the S25 Ultra. Although, if you don't like the rounded design of S25 Ultra, then Samsung is offering massive deals on S24 Ultra, which you can avail from prior listed in this video. Now, remember I talked about the downside in the official trailer? Well, here it is. This is the official trailer from Android headlines, but I'll come to that later in this video because this is the official spec sheet of the S25 Ultra, and there are some big claims I want to clear. And there's one big downside of the S25 Ultra. Remember we were talking about the 16 gigs of RAM, and later ICE confirms it will only come in 2 regions, China and South Korea, and this spec sheet confirmed it. We are looking at 12 gigs of RAM with a 1TB of storage. This is shocking since other 2 models, the S25 and the S25 Plus, both devices were going to feature the 12 gigs of RAM. This seems unexpected and a wrong move from Samsung. Also, it confirms the 5000 mAh battery and a 45W fast charger. And we were also concerned about the peak brightness. Well, I have to say this, it will be same as S24 Ultra, 2600 nits. Now this is the official trailer of S25 Ultra. Now I said official because it was removed from Android headlines as per Samsung request. And this trailer actually confirms 3 new popular features. The nightography is finally getting better on the S25 Ultra, and this is the difference between the nightography being used and without it. The second big feature is the audio background remover. This feature was a highlight of Pixel devices, but finally here on the S25 Ultra. Note, you can use this feature on existing files or older files. The third feature is the Now bar, which we can also see on the S24 Ultra with the One UI 7. It will give us a weather update, your energy score, and much more using AI. The trailer also showed us the Gemini integration in the S25 Ultra, which I already shared in detail in the previous videos. Samsung also revealed 2 new teasers for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this is the new teaser of the S25 Ultra, showcasing the new features and the new privacy features of the S25 Ultra.
Or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved.
The main highlight of this teaser showcasing 2 new features, Personal Data Engine and Knox Metrics.
Bind in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates,
these two features were going to improve the security on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and there also confirms the 7 years of OS and security updates on S25 Ultra, which is a massive thing, although it is already available in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With the new Galaxy AI security, our data will be secured and will not use for targeted ads. A new era of AI is coming finally. The second teaser also showcased the Galaxy AI logo in the air, more like showcasing the capabilities of Galaxy S25 Ultra using the AI. Again, at the end, they showed us a true AI companion is coming. Remember, if you like S24 Ultra boxier design, you can get big deals right now, which you can check from a prior listed in this video. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.